So how does all this work? First of all, it's always starts with a phone call where you'll talk to somebody on the team and really just figure out if we're even the right fit for you. And after that, what would happen is you would meet with one of our home buying specialists in your home in person. You guys will sit down, have a collaborative conversation, really discuss your goals, make sure that we can achieve those for you. And then ultimately, at the end of that appointment, then, the offer will be made, and at that point, you can really just consider your house sold. If you're looking for a quick cash offer on your home, give us a call or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.